Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. Is showing you guys how to create this new trend this collage video transition on CapCut. Select this, and I'm going to also select that ice cream and maybe the sauce that comes with it. I'm just gonna do that really quickly. So you're then going to bring two photos in CapCut. This is the picture before this one, the one that we cropped a lot on PixArt. And I've also decided to just crop the items on the plate because it's a lot easier. Now I'm just going to add the two sort of pictures that I edited in PixArt on overlay. So go to overlay and add overlay and add in those pictures. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust this first to the picture, and then I will later on move the picture on top of where it should be. Hope that makes sense to you. Okay, here I'm just going to adjust the size 0.4 maybe. And then I'm also going to do this for that picture. I'm just going to put it above this one and have it at 0.4 again. Oh, 5. Okay, sorry, 0.5. Like so. And this is how the video transition will be once you're done with that. Okay, this is a little too big, but you can adjust it more as you go, so it's a little bit more accurate. But this is what it should look like. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!